How does biostatistics impact clinical trial data? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle without knowing what the picture looks like. That's similar to how data works in clinical trials. Biostatistics helps turn scattered pieces into clear, trustworthy pictures of how treatments work. When patients consider joining a trial or exploring new treatments, understanding this process can make everything feel more transparent. At the start of a trial, biostatisticians are like master planners. They decide how many patients need to join to get reliable results. This is called calculating the sample size. If they choose too few patients, they might miss real effects. Too many and more patients are exposed to unproven treatments unnecessarily. They also design how patients are assigned to different groups randomly. This way, the results aren't biased by who gets which treatment. During the trial, biostatistics keeps an eye on the data as it comes in. They set up rules for checking the data at intervals, called interim analyses. These checks help see if a treatment is working well or causing harm. If the data shows clear benefits or risks, the trial can be stopped early to protect patients. This ongoing monitoring ensures the data remains accurate and the trial stays safe. Once all the data is collected, biostatisticians analyze it carefully. They look for patterns, like whether patients who received the treatment improved more than those who did not. They also measure how strong these effects are, considering differences among patients. This analysis helps decide if the treatment really works or if the results might have happened by chance. Finally, biostatistics helps communicate the results clearly. They prepare reports that explain what the data shows, so regulators, doctors, and patients can understand the evidence. This transparency is key for making informed decisions about new treatments. In short, biostatistics shapes every step of the patient journey in trials. From planning how many patients to include, to monitoring safety during the trial, and finally to analyzing and sharing the results. This process makes sure the data collected is reliable, fair, and meaningful. It helps turn raw information into trustworthy evidence that can lead to better treatments and safer patient care.